We are at Bradenton Preserve Expansion. It's a pretty incredible place to go for a hike. Where are you? Are you there? Excuse me.
We're cold.
You guys are cold? There are some gators out here and snakes. Fortunately for us, we have yet to see one. Let's send the drone up and let's see what it looks like from above. You guys see from above, this place is incredible. Can you imagine the sunset from here? Our final plans are to end up here. This is the Nest Canopy Zone. I'm telling you, this area is a ton of fun and not just for kids. Can't trust the meteorologist anymore. What's it doing out here?
Raining.
And the car is so far away.
It's not that far.
I mean, it's far enough.
All right, I think this thing.
Yep. Trying to keep my camera bag dry. Oh no, I feel like I'm breaking the law over here. Oh. We're gonna drive on over to the Canopy Zone now as it is starting to rain. There is some parking on that side. Normally we would walk to it because there's more parking on this side of the preserve. So hopefully we can find a spot and we can show you guys the Canopy Zone. I'm gonna have to disagree with both of you guys. I am the best driver this family has ever seen. Yes, I am.
You're not.
How am I not the best driver? So the rain finally stopped, guys. We made it to the Nest area of Bradenton Preserve. On this side, what you're gonna find is you're gonna find a Nature, Science and Technology Center, and then you're gonna find the Canopy Zone, which is super, super cool, and I can't wait to show you guys that. Holy smokes! Where are you? I am too old for this, Ava. Oh! Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa.
I beat you.
Oh my gosh! That was crazy.
Daddy, look over here.
What do we got? A little bridge? Whoa!
Look.
Where are we at?
You wanna go up?
How do we go up? Wait, you get...
No.
Huh?
Yeah, no.
How do we climb up that thing?
I did it once with Mark.
What do we gotta do?
We gotta go under here.
Oh.
We can just climb up the slide.
Am I really rolling in this thing right now? This is crazy.
You just roll.
Here, let me get the camera. Holy crap, and we got like more to go.
Uh-huh.
What if we get stuck?
But that's gonna be your fault now.
All ready? Here we go. Oh. Whew. How many more do we gotta go? A while.
Probably like.
Whew.
I'm a fish.
Ready? I think we got one more. This has got to be the end. How do we know we're even like still on track?
Yeah, it's the end.
Ow, I just banged my head. Ugh, can you see me? Oh, right. Ooh, this is wet. Ah, it's wet. Remember when my belly got wet? Look.
We don't talk about that.
It got wet.
Here you go.
Whew.
You made it.
Man, I made it.
Bye, I'm going into the upside down world of Stranger Things.
Stranger Things? Which way do we go? This way? Whoa, whoa, just fell. Oh.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's... I slid!
Is it sliding?
Barely it sounded like. He's asking you if it's sliding, Ava.
Yeah,
Is it safe for me to go down it?
maybe.
I'm stuck! Guys, I'm stuck! Oh, I'm coming! I just found a loose thread! Oh my gosh, I think I just pulled a muscle. How do I get out of here? Jeez, I'm stuck. All right.
Gymnastic.
Woo.
So there's no way kids could get out down here. They have to go back up one of the obstacles.
Yep, and how do we get out?
A good thing.
Oh, I know.
We could do an obstacle or the steps.
Let's do an obstacle. I want to see you do this one. Here's. You wanted a challenge?
Not really.
There's our challenge. Let's go. Ready? Let's see how long it takes you to get up there. And go.
Let's see how long it'll take me to get up there.
6 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, are you stuck? You got it? Let me know when you're up there.
Oh my gosh. I'm up.
Can I time myself?
23 seconds. And go.
I just lost.
14:51.
He thinks he's so flexible.
All right, let me know. Ready?
Go.
Target mark, get set, go.
He's gonna fall. How?
10 seconds, guys. Hey, guess what?
You think you're so flexible?
I am. I got the family record.
No, you don't.
I did. I just beat you.
You think you're flexible, like, in stretches?
You did good, all right. You did 23 seconds. That's not terrible. You didn't get to stretch. If you're in the area and it's winter time, this is probably where I would be coming.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you know how once in a while you get that cold day. This is definitely the place to check out. But anyway, guys.
Or even rainy.
Yep, or even rainy. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please be sure to do so. Hit that like button. Please comment. It helps us out a ton, especially when we're just starting off and trying to get this channel off the ground. Thank you for watching another episode of Exploring Florida
Merry
Waterways.
Christmas.